Hello world. This class we will study how to use a function to stimulate the keyboard. The title is num, means numlock. Let's add function. Function type word. Set numlock bool b state private static. Pay attention. Static word set numlock bool b state equal false. Equal false is added additional. In headfire, if we add some parameter, that means the function is use the default parameter. Let's add it. Three lines and if statement. Gone. Firstly, we declaration a variable. Better key state 256. My keyboard has about 104 keys. Some years ago, the keyboard had about 84 keys. So 256 is enough. Then we call function to get keyboard state. First, we can use get key state. Second, we can use get ASY key state. These two functions we have studied already. Now, the third, we use get keyboard state. This function can get keyboard state from the keyboard input output buffer. LP better. A pointer point to bet and key state. Now we get the keyboard state at key state. Let's go on. If B state and exclamation key state VK numlock. There are three keys have LEDs. 1 numlock, 2 tab lock, 3 is scroll lock. Go on. And 1 better operate. Exclamation B state and key state VK numlock and 1. Wait a moment. you can input. Go back. Better. Key state 256. Get keyboard state. LP better. And key state. If B state. Exclamation key state. V key numeral and 1. Exclamation B state and key state V key numeral and 1. Then we call the function twice. Firstly, we stimulate the key up. Then we stimulate the key up. When we stimulate the key down, then we stimulate the key up. KBD event. This function is DOS style. KBD event. VK numeral. First parameter. The second parameter is 0x45. It's a scan code. When a key is pressed, the keyboard will send a scan code from port 61 hexadecimal to the computer. They send scan code. Traditionally, one key is pressed, then they send one scan code. But this key is a character key, not extended key. What's extended key? This key is that if we press them, the screen does not display. For example, arrow key, enter, shift, control, alternative, and so on is extended key. They have two or more scan codes. But now 0x45 is scan code of numeral. Key event F. F means flag, underline, extended key. 0 We will set this bit to 0. Semicolon. This red line will stimulate the extended key numlock pressed. Wait a moment. Just input the characters. Go on. Recall this function again. KBD underline event VK numlock scan code 0x45, key event flag event F underline extended key event F underline key up, comma 0. We call the function twice. Press and up the numlock. Time is enough. Now let's call the very function. You can find the keyword RCSB PT in RECT. The function is mouse hook PROC. If onc.gbsbin, if we move the mouse into SB, we will turn off numlock. Else, we will turn on numlock. So, we add two functions here. Selected is turn off numlock. Pay attention where we add these two functions. Now let's go. Set numlock without parameter. That means we call this function set numlock false because the function is used default parameter. Set numlock true. Turn on the numlock. The cursor in SB. Numlock is off. The cursor outside of SB, numlock is turned on. Let's build. So we can move the cursor in or out. SB, we can see the LED on and off immediately. So plain nice. Just practice. Enjoy yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, see you later.